What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a teardown and review of the all-new Hart 3/8 flex head extendable ratchet from Walmart. Alright, so how are you going to take something like this apart? Sorry, the dog's back there licking itself. How are you going to take something like this apart is, well, they're not all going to be like this. Maybe they will. Who knows? You're going to want to take these two bolts out right here. And then, I'm not 100% sure if you actually have to take that one out. We'll see. But it's a 90 tooth ratchet. It goes from 10 to 14 inches. Pretty nice, actually. I mean, not a huge fan of the handle. It's like just really big. And I don't have the biggest hands, so I mean, it fits around it, but you kind of get what I'm saying. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Alright, so we're going to need to take this apart. The little Torx bit. I'm not 100% sure on the size because the set I have of Torx bits doesn't have a size on this one. Because this is like one of the smallest ones I could find. So we're just going to go ahead and take this apart now. Should be out. There we go. This one should be out as well. Well, I say that, but I don't know. There we go. Now, no, you still gotta take the one on the top off, or in the front. So you take the cover off, and that's really all I'm going to take out except for this. There you go. It says it's a 90 tooth. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot more than 90 teeth there. Not 100% sure what they go off of when they say that. But, as you can see, it's got springs on the paws, or I think that's what they're called. Don't give me a hard time if they're not, please. And also it basically rotates on it and gets down to those grooves, and there goes my spring. Alright, so I got the springs put back in it now. Well, I say springs because one of them came out originally, and I found it eventually laying right behind me. And the other one, when I was trying to put the other one back in, because it's kind of a pain to do, it popped out because I accidentally bumped it. It was kind of a mess. As you can see, it's back in, working just like brand new. And so I guess I'll just put this cover and everything back on. And if I didn't already mention, they are spring assisted, I guess, paws, if that's what they're called. So let's go ahead and pop that back on. We'll put our little bolt back in here. Now I picked this ratchet up for $22, I want to say. Yeah, I think that's what it was, 22 bucks. And I actually haven't really got to use it very much yet. Or actually I haven't got to use it at all. Because I was wanting to keep it nice and pretty for the videos. Oh, that's why it wasn't going in there, right? Oh, my bad. This bolt right here actually keeps the selector switch in. Alright, that makes more sense now. I don't know how I didn't realize that before, but I didn't. Take this, put it back in. So if you're taking one of these apart, be very careful that you don't, those springs don't try and come out on you. There you go. You got it put back together after about 20 minutes. So that took about 20 minutes longer than it should have. Now, how this works here, how it extends. See in there? I think it's right there. You can kind of see it maybe. And there's a little, I guess, detent ball. And that loosens off. And then there's little slots there for that to come into. And it locks into place whenever you let this latch back down. Because that ball's pressing into place there. You can't really see it too good, but... Well, now it's not doing it at all. No, I had it turned wrong. And it's flex head, as you can see. How this works is there's also a detent ball inside there down the bottom, and it's got a spring underneath of it. I would take it out, but I'm afraid I'm gonna lose the spring because I just have really bad luck with springs. But it feels like a pretty good ratchet. I mean, everything works good most of the time. Looks decent. Everything feels like it's made well. But I'd say for the money, it's a pretty good ratchet. Because I think the Craftsman, I know they don't have an extendable handle, which I'm probably going to compare everything in my videos to Craftsman, because Craftsman is like, it's like the snap-on of the trailer park, you know? And so is Gear Wrench. But, I mean, it sounds pretty good, in my opinion. Alright, so I looked online just a second ago to see if Craftsman has an extendable 3/8 drive flex head ratchet. And I'm not seeing one on there. I'm seeing a flex head, but I don't see any extendable ones. But the flex heads I saw, which of course they're going to be better made, $28. So, I mean, you're saving $6 when you get this one. And it's extendable. But you're not getting that brand, you know, when you buy it. So all in all, I'd say it's pretty good. I mean, I haven't really got to use it very much yet. But, I don't know. It seems like it's well made, so I'd give this one a thumbs up.